How to customize Photos app on iPhone iOS 18. So if the Photos app is too complicated for your liking and now you would like to customize it and bring it back to the default or the previous version you are familiar with, like iOS 17 Photos app, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to customize Photos app on iPhone in iOS 18, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the Photos app, I'm going to scroll down the bottom of the page. So you can remove all of this, modify them, and show whatever you want to show on the Photos app. So just scroll down the page, keep scrolling until you get to Customize and Reorder. Click on it. Once you click on Customize and Reorder, here you can customize what comes up on the Photos app page of your iPhone. So just go ahead and uncheck whatever you don't want to show on the Photos app on your iPhone. Then once you're done, go ahead and click on the close button at the top right. Now, once you close the Photos app page, then you should come back here and see that you've reordered and recustomized the Photos app. Then if you still want to hide other features here like the recent day, just scroll down again, click on customize and reorder, and then hide that. Then once you've done that, just use the recent day photos hidden from the Photos app. However, to bring this back to the iOS 18 default, all you just need to scroll down again, click on customize and reorder, and reset. Then you are good to go. Then you should see the Photos app reset back to the default. So that is basically how to customize Photos app on iPhone in iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.